How many times have you been to the grocery store, seen cucumbers on sale, you buy a bunch since you don't want to pass up a good deal, and you go home and stick them in the veggie drawer? The problem is, if you don't use them right away, there's a pretty good chance that they're going to go bad. Rather than letting that happen, we came up with a way to turn them into a cool and refreshing go-along that pairs perfectly with everything. We start off by placing 3 cucumbers that we've sliced in a large bowl. Then we sprinkle them with a bit of salt and cover them with ice water. After they sit for a bit, we drain them and toss them with some chopped scallions and red pepper, a dollop of sour cream, apple cider vinegar, some sugar, and a little pepper. Once this has chilled for a few hours, get ready for a cool and refreshing change of pace treat that goes with everything from burgers and dogs to barbecue chicken and ribs. To get the recipe for our crunchy cucumber salad, all you have to do is visit our website. These are so tasty, you might find that they disappear even before dinner. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a crispy, crunchy way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. You're noisy. You're crunchy.